I say, hi sensei. So today we're doing here is our silver package. It's going to be a encapsulation with a dehumidifier, shoot foam board up on the wall, seal the vents, and install ABS. This one's going to be a little bit different for the vents just because the house is a little bit older. Kind of show you how that one's done. It's just smaller block vents, so it's going to be interesting on that one. We've already removed the old insulation, so the next step from here is going to be to put the foam board up on the wall and then install the dehumidifier and spray the chemicals. We got Josh and Lee. They're down in the cross place shooting up the wall plastic. I'm cutting R19 right now. This would probably be like something we do at the end of the day, but I just want to go ahead and get it cut, save us some time. Kind of like to divide and conquer, get more done at one time. I feel like it's a good idea. This is our dehumidifier. We've actually already got it installed, all the plumbing's ran and everything. The way we typically will run ours on this other side here, we have a condensate pump, which we take that line and we'll run it to a PVC pipe and push it out of the house, which our line is going up on this back wall over here. And as far as maintenance with these goes, there is a filter excess right here on this side. It's just a little screw that pops off. The filter will slide out. You can clean it from there. So it's pretty easy maintenance on these things. Pretty good machines.